It's a beautiful day in Kansas City to learn another layback, and so today we're going to do a little bit different one. We're going to do one with a revert. So today stay tuned because we're going to learn how to do a layback frontside Smith to fakie. So before you learn how to do a layback front Smith to fakie, you want to make sure how to do a few other things first. So first, you want to make sure you know how to drop in. Second, you want to make sure that you can do frontside kick turns on the mini ramp. Third, and most importantly, you want to make sure you do it in one of these Varsity skateboarding hats. You can see I've had this one for quite some time, but even Olivia has one of the ones on as well. And like I've said before, if you see my videos, every purchase you make on our web store goes directly to our nonprofit. So know that when you buy something, it's supporting a great cause. 4, you want to make sure you can do a normal layback rock and roll. And if you don't know how, go back and watch the first episode of this series. I'll put the link in the description down below, but make sure you can do that trick before you try to do this one. Next, you want to make sure that you can do a frontside 50-50 grind or stall on the mini ramp. And lastly, you want to make sure that you can do some sort of Smith stall to fakie on the mini ramp. I think the easiest one is to do a fakie Smith stall to fakie. So to do a layback Smith to fakie, you're going to want to drop it on the mini ramp and approach the other quarter pipe front side. As you come up to the ramp, make sure to reach down with your back hand and grab the coping thumb side up. You want to make sure that it looks proper, and you want to make sure that it's going to place your hips and also your shoulders in the right direction. And it's going to be similar to the frontside feeble. As you feel your back truck lock in, your front truck is going to go over the coping, and you're going to point your toes straight down to lock into that Smith position. And then to go back in, all you're going to do is point that front foot down, put a little bit of pressure on it. You're going to feel those back wheels start to slide down the ramp. Hang on just a little bit longer, move your shoulders and then your hips, let go, and ride away. And that's how you do a layback frontside Smith to fakie. I think layback Smiths are seen a lot. It's a very iconic trick. So being able to revert in just adds a little bit of extra flair and just makes it a little bit different. We're gonna do a few more learning layback series just like this one. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video comes out. If you end up learning one of these tricks, please put the link down in the comments below. I would love to be able to see those tricks and just know that you're learning some of the things that I'm teaching here on this channel. So thank you guys, and as always, thanks for hanging.